we want to measure in centimeters because inches are almost barbaric because it's such a big unit. But if you measure in centimeters, as you can see, it's centimeters on this tape, and then you just measure the same. So you're going to measure different than I measure, but you measure the same both sides. The muscle mass tells us how much they're using the leg and if things are improving. And even a dog that's very injured and shouldn't be going on extended walks still needs to be maintaining their muscle mass and tone. That supports the joint. So we're going to go over demonstrating on Malika, measuring the muscle mass. And then I'm going to show you some perturbation exercises in a couple of different dogs, 3 different dogs. And so this is something you can do even when your dog is very lame. You just gently shift their weight so that they're having load on that injured leg and then off for like a second, like 1 and then off, 2 and then off. That's the way you can engage the muscle